Google released a developer preview for Wear OS, previously Android Wear, a few weeks after launching the first preview of Android P for smartphones. As in the initial version, this software for the company's wearables platform remains extremely unfinished, and Google states that it is not for daily use or for the consumer at this early stage. For now, it's available exclusively for Huawei Watch 2 Bluetooth and Huawei Watch 2 Classic Bluetooth, and preview compilation should be displayed on the device manually, another indicator that it's strictly for developers and not for an average technology enthusiast. The biggest changes in this first version are intended to preserve battery life. To improve power, applications will no longer be able to run in the background unless the watch is in the charger, Google said. There are two exceptions to that rule: the observation lines and the complications currently chosen by the user can continue running in the background. In addition, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and cellular radios when applicable will automatically turn off when the Wear operating system detects that your device has been out of your body for an extended amount of time. The third design change allows your smartwatch to spend the day with juice to spare. You could get more than one mixed reaction. To improve the power, the device will no longer automatically connect to Wi-Fi when it disconnects from Bluetooth. Again, this does not apply if your watch is under your load. Google says that these three battery optimizations will be implemented gradually, so they may not work as soon as you install the developer preview.